Market conditions remaining bullish in a bull market, sitting at 22.69 on our bull market rank. We did see a momentum push higher yesterday, not a whole lot. The day before, quite a bit on S&P 500. We're back up into that bullish trend zone, and market breadth stuck right here in the middle. Sentiment also the extreme bullish side of that, which you'll notice it says complacency. Once we get to the top end of the trend where everything feels fine and rosy, that's what that is saying, and that's fine because that's what we want. We want that momentum to be bullish, to continue to push that higher, but at some point when everybody's on board, that is where we start to see some reversal. We're just not quite there yet, and also that can take some time. This bottom, sorry about the scrolling, this bottom one is a lot slower mover, and so even I've seen it up here in this range for 18 months. It can stay really bullish for a long time, and so not super reactive on that indicator. Buy sell ratio though is a little more reactive. We're seeing kind of hovering right here at that 0.6, 0.7 range, still slight bearish undertones to this market, but we could be seeing a little bit of a widening right here, maybe coming back together this distance right here as we're seeing the bullish line, the green line, coming back towards the red line. We'll see if we get any additional breadth on any kind of upside move right here. Let's jump over to the S&P 500, take a quick look here. This price pattern, very bullish. It's a real small, kind of an indecision day yesterday with a little small bottoming tail bar, which is a little bullishness right there also. Again, coming into Friday, we'll see if we can break out on this market. Really nice bullish pattern right here as well. When we have this pattern where we're getting this uptrend and then a second little retracement. It's not quite that cup and a handle pattern, but pretty close. Similar type of idea where you're getting a rally, a breakout, a retest, and then a possible confirmation as it's continuing more upside. We're also seeing two additional things that are helping TLT, which is bonds moving higher. We definitely want to see that. We're continuing to see some sustaining move here in bonds. Both the long-term bond and the short-term bond, SHY, both back up in that bullish uptrend, at least in the shorter term. Those longer-term downtrends, it's got some work to do across the board of moving to the upside, but you're seeing this bottoming formation. When we start to shift trends, we get a new low. Now we get a solid higher low and starting to work our way back up. There is still some downtrend here that bonds have got to fight through. But ultimately, as bonds are moving higher, interest rates are moving lower, and that's really what the economy needs and what the market wants to see as well. Let's jump over to sectors and seeing a couple more pop back up into that buy zone and removing from the sell. So we're getting a broad-based sector rotation, or at least moving back into some bullish sectors, and also a positive sign for breadth. Commodities, we saw a real big bump in silver yesterday, and gold moved as well, but not quite as much. Both of those are leading the commodity charge right here on that commodities tab. The rank right here, you can see silver is actually leading. It's had a really nice run right here. Good big confirmation bar. Also seeing some silver stocks and gold stocks, mining stocks showing up in the new buy list. If you jump over to that and look at, you've got Coeur d'Alene Mines, CDE, which is a nice looking confirmation bar. That's in the mining space. Also seeing, I thought I saw a little bit deeper, EGO, which is also in the mining space. Good confirmation bar, nice volume. So you're seeing some good looking mining stocks, gold and silver mining stocks showing up in the list today. And keep an eye on those. Those will be a couple of the muscle stocks to look at a little bit deeper in the list. You're also seeing at the top end of that list, MMYT, which has had a nice big run, good solid move 2 days ago, and back up into that momentum zone for Make My Trip is the name of that company, MMYT. And at FTAI, this is a very consistent high-flying aerospace stock. It's at the upper end of that range as well, but finding some support around that $76 range. That'll do it for today's update. Everyone have a fantastic day today.